In other news, while the whole country prepares for the election of deputies to the 15 National Assembly and People's Councils at all levels for the 2021-2026 tenure, hostile forces have been using social media to upload false and distorted information. Their acts aim to cause confusion among the public and leading to improper thinking and behavior, thus dividing the close relationships of the party, the state, and the people.
Recently, reactionary organizations have been posting false and misleading information about the 15th National Assembly election with the aim of undermining the leadership of the Communist Party of Vietnam. However, according to the 2013 Constitution of the Socialist Republic of Vietnam, the Communist Party of Vietnam is the leading party of Vietnam. Therefore, its leadership in preparations for the election is legitimate and does not go against the Constitution or the law.
It is stated clearly in Article 4 of the 2013 Constitution of Vietnam that the Communist Party of Vietnam is the vanguard of the working class and the Vietnamese people, and its purpose is to bring happiness to the people and prosperity to the country.
In other countries, people also vote for candidates nominated by local political parties. In those countries, one's chance to be elected if not nominated by a party is very small. And even if that person won the election, they may not be able to carry out what they promised due to lack of resources. But even before that, they wouldn't have enough resources to carry out their campaign. As such, I think the claims that our election lacks democracy is a misrepresentation.
At the same time, hostile forces have also diminished the role of the Vietnam Fatherland Front in maintaining democracy in the election, as nominees are introduced during consultative conferences. However, according to Vietnamese law, the purpose of consultative conferences is to ensure candidates are selected according to the law and are qualified.
It is stated clearly in Vietnam's election law that only the Vietnam Fatherland Front has the right to organize consultative conferences to select suitable candidates.
Looking at what is happening in Vietnam and the world, the Vietnamese people know exactly what is suitable for them. They know that they need stability. They know what to do. Those misleading claims mean nothing to them.
Under the leadership of the Communist Party of Vietnam, the Vietnamese people have overcome the dire consequences of wars to rebuild the country for socio-economic development.